World champion boxer Lauren Price speaks with dynamic shots of children playing football and gymnastics.
Did you know the National Lottery through Sport Wales has given £356 million to sport in Wales? It's built facilities, funded Olympic athletes like me and helped grassroots clubs thrive.
Caerphilly Dragons. Gwyn Roberts, the Caerphilly Dragons club secretary, speaks to camera.
We started about 6 years ago. There was a couple of us were looking for a team for our girls to sort of play football. So we ended up sort of forming Caerphilly Dragons after a while. Within the 6 years, we've gone from having an initial sort of squad of 12 that now we've grown to 300 girls across from under fours all the way up to ladies, so we've got the full pathway that we've developed.
Shots of girls playing football continue as parent Richard Hopkins speaks.
Without the funding, there wouldn't really be a club, because there's only so much a club can raise to actually get funds for the right equipment, and that's what the community needs, is that sort of funding. So I think it's done wonders for this club having that sort of funding back, so yeah, it's great.
Lauren Price speaks as shots of her participating in the training session play.
I'm massive on Wales, but valleys, you know, that's a big part of my art, that's where I come from. Oh, go on, shoot! Have a shot! 300 girls at the club, that's phenomenal. It's just grown and grown and grown, and you know, you talk about female sport, but just sport in general, that's incredible for the valleys, for Wales, and you know, it's great.
Parent and under-9s coach Gavin Besant-Evans speaks with his daughter at his side.
Yeah, so our Sunday mornings are basically completely football these days. It's massive, it's great to see, because football's such a simple game for anyone to play. It's great to see the growth in the female football.
Gwyn Roberts speaks to the camera.
We've had a couple of grants through Sports Wales. One of the things that we've always tried to do is keep our subs that players pay to play at an absolute minimum. And that means that we haven't got a lot of spare cash rolling around in the club coffers. But yeah, things like the balls, the bibs, the cones, it's all really, really useful, and we wouldn't be here without it, to be honest.
Lauren gives motivational advice to the younger participants, and they give their reaction.
Work hard enough and you want to play for Wales. Yeah. Keep training hard and you can do it.
Mae Lauren wedi dod heddiw a mae hi wedi dweud, os ti'n remind ti rhywbeth, ti gallu mynd i'r Wales team neu unrhyw beth ti eisiau.
As long as you put your mind to it and you work hard enough, you can achieve anything.
That was really nice.
So nice.
She's helpful.
She was nice, and she's a very good footballer.
Yeah.
She gave us confidence.
And she signed her shirt.
Close-up of Lauren Price's signature on a player's football shirt. Establishing shots outside Valleys Gymnastics Academy in South Wales. Valleys Gymnastics Academy. Lauren speaks to the camera while standing next to a balance beam.
Whether you're fighting in the ring or balancing on the beam, it's incredible to see how sport can change lives.
Dynamic shots of young participants enjoying gymnastics continues as Victoria Price, VGA's Community Development Officer, speaks.
So today we've got our Valleys Girls session. We had funding from Street Games via Sport Wales to provide it. It's all about creating opportunities for children that maybe wouldn't come to traditional gymnastics classes.
Gareth Windmill from Street Games talks.
Valleys Gymnastics Academy are a member of our network, so this is a perfect example of what's going on. Non-gymnastics, fun in a different style that the girls can enjoy, and with the key theme being that they can just come be part of a sport but be with their friends.
Coach and volunteer Olivia Brunt speaks.
I think it just gives girls who do come to the club as well, to give them a chance to try something new, but girls who don't do any sport, to give them a chance to actually get involved in something. And that makes them become more like confident, and I think it's just overall experience for us and experience for them. It's just really good.
Shots of Lauren involved in the session on screen as she speaks to the camera doing the National Lottery cross-finger pose.
It's inspiring to see how sport can bring people together, create opportunities and change people's lives.
Younger participants at Valleys Gymnastics Academy share their thoughts.
My name's Scarlett and I'm 8, and my favourite thing about gym is that get to do flips and stuff on the apparatus.
I'm 7 years old and my name is Ira. I have lots of fun and I learn new skills.
There's loads of people here that you can make friends with and that.
Yeah, there's tempers, you can socialise with other people, you can express yourself.
A participant performs a forward roll as Gareth from Street Games continues.
Just seeing the facility we're in, it's an incredible facility. The funding is paramount for that, not just for the traditional sporting pathways. There's stuff going on in the corner there which is more to that elite level, but that funding via Loteri Sport Wales to then filter down to grassroots organisations with our support at times will allow this to happen and remove those barriers for a lot of these kids.
A group shot with Valley's Gymnastics Academy, saying thanks with the National Lottery's cross-finger pose. Back to Lauren Price speaking at Caerphilly Dragons.
Kids got dreams. That was me. I was 8 once. I had a dream, you know, I had 3 things on my list. I wanted to play football for Wales, I wanted to become a world kickboxing champion, and I wanted to go to the Olympics. And I ticked all them 3 off. So 100% today, you know, I've tried to, you know, speak to the girls and say to them, if you want to play for your country one day, you can do that. You work hard enough, you can achieve anything. And it just goes to show, you know, like you said, with the support from everyone and National Lottery, you can do that.
Group shot of Lauren and the girls from Caerphilly Dragons saying thanks to the National Lottery doing the cross-finger pose.
Diolch, National Lottery! Thanks, girls!
National Lottery's 30th birthday logo, Sport Wales.